Bright spaces in your home are perfect for houseplants that love abundant sunlight. From vibrant foliage to flowering varieties, these plants thrive in well-lit areas, bringing natural beauty, fresh air, and a touch of greenery to your living spaces. Discover stunning houseplants that thrive in bright light and pick your new favorites. Elephant's ears or Alocasia. These are striking plants with bright green leaves and prominent white veins, resembling the ears of Asian elephants. Toxic to humans and pets, these plants generally reach 1 to 6 feet tall and 1 to 4 feet wide indoors. They thrive in a soily spotting medium with moderate moisture, temperatures above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity of at least 50%. The Alocasia black velvet cultivar features velvety green-black leaves and grows 1 to 2 feet tall and wide. Place them in bright, indirect light, as direct sunlight can scorch their foliage. African violet or Saint Paulia. This is a compact plant featuring fuzzy, round or heart-shaped leaves that are green on top and often purplish underneath. Its vibrant flowers, available in shades of blue, orange, pink, purple, red, or yellow, sometimes bicolored or fringed, bloom above the foliage, stealing the spotlight. These plants grow to a mature size of 6 to 24 inches in height and width, thriving in rich, loamy soil with moderate watering. Ideal conditions include temperatures of 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, bright but indirect light, and approximately 80% humidity, making them perfect for indoor environments. Rake's begonia. Begonia rake's is a stunning ornamental plant prized for its vibrant, textured foliage. Leaves come in a variety of colors, including shades of green, silver, red, and purple, often with intricate patterns or metallic sheens. Though it rarely blooms indoors, its striking foliage makes it a standout plant. Rake's begonias thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Keep the soil evenly moist but not soggy, and maintain high humidity to prevent leaf edges from browning. Ideal temperatures range from 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid direct sunlight and overwatering, as these can damage the delicate leaves. Croton, Codium variegatum. Croton features striking variegated foliage in vibrant shades of green, orange, red, and yellow. It may produce small, white star-like flowers, though its leaves are the main attraction. Toxic to humans and pets, crotons grow 2 to 6 feet tall and wide, thriving in rich soil with moderate watering. Ideal indoor conditions include bright, indirect light, temperatures between 60 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity above 50%. The Croton variegatum Potra variety offers even more dramatic variegation. Anthurium. Anthurium is a tropical perennial epiphyte that naturally grows by clinging to other plants for support. Some varieties feature brightly colored spathes surrounding a spadix, a stalk of tiny flowers. Spathes come in colors like red, yellow, green, purple, white, and gold. Toxic to humans and animals, they should be placed away from pets and children. Anthuriums grow 12 to 24 inches tall with a 5 to 12-inch spread, thriving in loose, airy soil like cactus or orchid mix. They prefer bright light, temperatures of 78 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and humidity levels above 50%. Burro's tail or Sedum morganianum, also known as donkey's tail, is an evergreen succulent with trailing, fleshy blue-green leaves that have a whitish hue. While rare indoors, blooming may occur, producing clusters of pink or red star-shaped flowers at the ends of the strands. The plant's trailing stems can reach up to 4 feet long. It thrives in well-draining cactus or succulent soil and requires low to moderate watering. Outdoor placement in sunny, warm conditions during summer and cooler temperatures of 50 to 69 degrees Fahrenheit in winter may encourage blooming. Christmas cactus or Schlumberger, also called the holiday cactus, is a tropical succulent that grows as an epiphyte in rainforests, relying on tree bark for support. Its segmented cladodes form arching stems with tubular, multi-petaled flowers in colors like red, pink, orange, yellow, and white. This plant grows up to 1 foot tall and 2 feet wide, thriving in organically rich soil with low to moderate watering needs. It prefers bright light, daytime temperatures of 70 degrees Fahrenheit, nighttime temperatures of 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and high humidity levels above 50% for optimal growth. Purple shamrock or Oxalis triangularis is a striking houseplant known for its triangular, deep purple leaves that open and close with light changes. It produces delicate white or pale pink flowers that beautifully contrast its foliage. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, but avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Purple shamrock prefers temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and average indoor humidity. It may enter dormancy occasionally. During this time, reduce watering and allow it to rest. With proper care, it will regrow and thrive. Flaming Katy or Kalanchoe blossfeldiana, also known as Christmas kalanchoe, is a compact succulent featuring fleshy, waxy, scalloped leaves and clusters of vibrant, multi-petaled flowers in shades of orange, pink, red, yellow and white. It grows 6 to 18 inches tall and wide. Cultivate it in well-draining cactus or succulent potting mix with minimal watering. It thrives in bright, sunny locations with temperatures of 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and moderate humidity. Avoid excessive moisture to prevent leaf spot diseases. Perfect for adding color to indoor or outdoor spaces. Haworthia. Haworthia is a compact, low-maintenance succulent perfect for indoor cultivation. Its rosette-shaped leaves, often striped or speckled, add visual appeal. It thrives in bright, indirect light, making it ideal for windowsills or well-lit rooms. Use well-draining cactus or succulent potting mix and water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Haworthia prefers temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and tolerates average indoor humidity. Overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. This hardy plant is an excellent choice for beginners. Moth orchids, Phalaenopsis. Orchids are elegant, low-maintenance orchids prized for their long-lasting blooms in shades of white, pink, purple, yellow, and more. They thrive indoors in bright, indirect light, making them perfect for windowsills or well-lit rooms. Plant them in a bark-based orchid mix for proper aeration and drainage. Water weekly, allowing the medium to dry slightly between waterings and maintain humidity around 50 to 70%. Ideal temperatures range from 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid overwatering and ensure good air circulation to prevent root rot and pests. With proper care, they bloom multiple times a year. Sweetheart Hoya, Hoya Keri, also known as the Valentine plant, is a charming succulent vine celebrated for its thick, heart-shaped leaves. It's a popular gift for its symbolic connection to love and affection. Sweetheart Hoyas thrive in bright, indirect light but can tolerate some direct morning sun. Plant them in a well-draining cactus or succulent mix and allow the soil to dry out between waterings. They prefer temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and average indoor humidity. Water sparingly, as overwatering can cause root rot. With proper care, mature plants may produce clusters of fragrant, star-shaped flowers. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a tropical evergreen succulent with a short stem and fleshy, serrated leaves that store water. Young leaves are green with white flecks. While indoor plants rarely bloom, outdoor varieties may produce 3-foot flower stalks with greenish-yellow blossoms. The gel inside its leaves is known for anti-inflammatory properties, commonly used in herbal remedies for burns and stings. However, the leaves also contain latex, which can cause allergic reactions. Indoors, aloe grows 1 to 3 feet tall with a spread of 2 to 3 feet. It thrives in sandy soil, bright light, temperatures of 55 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and moderate indoor humidity. Coffee plant, Coffea arabica. Coffee plant is known for its glossy, dark green leaves and red fruits that grow along woody stems, each fruit housing 1 or 2 coffee beans. While flowering and fruiting are less common indoors. The plant can reach 6 feet tall and 3 feet wide, though indoor specimens are typically smaller and easy to prune. Coffee plants thrive in loamy, nutrient-rich soil with moderate watering needs. They prefer abundant bright light and cool temperatures between 64 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, making them a manageable and attractive addition to indoor environments. Ponytail palm, Boccarnia recurvata. Also known as the elephant's foot, is a drought-tolerant, low-maintenance houseplant. Despite its name, it's not a true palm but a succulent. It features a bulbous trunk that stores water and long, arching, ribbon-like leaves resembling a ponytail. Ideal for bright indoor spaces, it thrives in indirect sunlight but can tolerate some direct light. Use well-draining cactus or succulent soil and water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings. Ponytail palms prefer temperatures of 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and low humidity. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so are on the dry side. Lucky bamboo, Dracena sandriana. Lucky bamboo is a popular indoor plant known for its elegant, upright stems and symbolic association with good fortune. Despite its name, it's not a true bamboo. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light conditions. Grow it in water with pebbles for support or in well-draining soil. Change the water every 1 to 2 weeks if grown hydroponically and keep the roots submerged. Ideal temperatures are 65 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit with average indoor humidity. Avoid direct sunlight and fluoride-heavy water to prevent leaf damage. Venus flytrap or Dionaea muscipula is a captivating carnivorous plant with jaw-like traps that close on prey, supplementing its diet in nutrient-poor bogs. It thrives in 4 to 6 hours of bright sunlight or grow lights, planted in sphagnum moss mixed with sand or perlite for drainage. Use distilled or rainwater and keep soil moist but not waterlogged. Preferring high humidity and 70 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, it enters dormancy in winter, 35 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid feeding it non-insects or triggering traps unnecessarily to maintain health. Weeping fig, Ficus benjamina. This is a graceful indoor tree known for its arching branches and glossy, teardrop-shaped leaves. It thrives in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, keeping it evenly moist but not soggy. Ideal conditions include temperatures of 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and moderate humidity. Protect it from drafts and sudden environmental changes to prevent leaf drop, ensuring healthy growth. These plants add beauty to spaces, each with unique care needs, making them perfect companions for well-lit indoor environments.